Now let's take a look at our USD Swiss franc. So if you've not subscribed, before you go, actually subscribe so you will get more updates on us where we upload. Now we can see our USD Swiss franc. By the way, our USD Swiss franc has actually been dropping massively, and it has gotten to this our lows here, which is our support level, we can call it. Our price came here, bounce up, it came here, bounce up, and now our price has come here. We will be seeing that bounce up very soon, but we will be seeing it by next week. I don't think we will be getting it today, or we might start getting the start of the bounce up today, but by next week we will see that bullish move. So before we possibly might see that bullish move, let's see on our USD index. We can see on our USD index, our USD index is actually falling, right? It's actually falling. So until our USD index, I see, probably tap this lows here, then start giving us that bullish move, then that is when we will start seeing that bullish move on our USD Swiss franc. By the way, our USD index will soon start giving us that bullish move. As we can see, it is about to hit this our key level area. Sooner or later, our USD index will start running, giving us that bullish move, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So by that time, our USD index is giving us that higher highs, higher lows. We will be seeing that higher highs and higher lows on our USD Swiss franc. So add that in mind. Now let's take a look at on our 4-hour time frame. We can see this huge low, right? And it has already tapped this our, not is it tap this our key level here that we are talking about. So I would want to see a bullish move again, probably to this key area here, to this area here. That is, and possibly a drop again, until probably when our USD index start just giving us that bullish move. If our USD index does not come to touch this key level area, it starts giving us that bullish move, start running bullish move, probably on our 4-hour time frame, start giving us that bullish run up, then definitely I would say take out your trade on our USD Swiss franc. If not, we should consider seeing it as a short on our USD Swiss franc. So that is it on our 4-hour time frame. And 1-hour time frame, we can see here 1-hour time frame is still giving us a pullback on a bearish move. This is actually a fall. We might be seeing it as a pullback, and anytime soon we probably might be seeing a drop, except our USD index start running bullish up. Then we can see multiple break of structure on this our USD Swiss franc. So to take your buy on our USD Swiss franc, I'll say wait when we get multiple break of structure upward on our 4-hour time frame.